Hi friends, Tracy Bish here, your Stampin' Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. I'm so happy to have you here. This is just a very quick video just to remind you of my online class with free card kits. It expires tomorrow, so Sunday the 12th of December. Now for any orders that my customers place, you'll always receive the handmade card as well as the bundle tutorial. But I have had a special promotion with a card class and card kits available from the 1st to the 12th of December. So for anyone who would like this free card class, it's amazing. I'm really excited to bring this one to you. For anyone who orders $50 before postage, you'll get the card class online for free. If you're ordering $100 using this month's hostess code before shipping or postage, you'll get the online class as well as the card kits sent out to you. As well, you'll still get my customer benefits of the handmade card and bundle tutorial as well. So I'm using the Penguin Playmates DSP, which it was a free item for Celebration. I actually hoarded a ton of it. I've got a heap of it. So in your class kits, you'll receive a quarter pack of that DSP, which is amazing. So we have 5 cards to create with this class. Let me show you them really quickly. Although it is a very wintry themed DSP, I've got no Christmas cards at all. So this one is a birthday card. We have a hello. So they're very much friends and family birthday friendship cards. This one's a bit of a winter theme with the snowflakes, so cute. We have a friend one. So they're very simple, very easy, but gorgeous cards as well. So if you are ordering the $100 order to get the kits as well, you'll receive the card bases, the snowflake embellishments. You'll also receive a quarter pack of that DSP, all the twine and everything embossed ready to go. You'll have it all ready to go for you. I have used 2 ink pads, the Misty Moonlight as well as the Fresh Freesia stamp pad. If you don't have them, you could exchange them out for another one, maybe Highland Heather and Night of Navy. They would both work as well. And I've also used the Biggest Wish stamp set. What I really liked about this stamp set is it's a really great sentiment one, has a nice big sentiments as well, but you could use whatever you have in your stash, so completely up to you what you use. So I'll just quickly bring these in and show you again. I love these cards. These are so cute, and I hope that you'll come and do the class with me because it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so don't forget, all you need to do is place an order between now and Sunday night. $50 minus the shipping cost or the postage cost will get you the online class. If you're placing a $100 order before postage, you'll get the online class as well as the card kits sent out to you as well. So till Sunday, come over and I hope you will come and join in. All right, everyone, if you're in need of any Stampin' Up supplies, I have an online store that you can go and purchase at any time, tracybish.stampinup.net, and I would love to be a demonstrator. All right, everyone, have a wonderful weekend and hopefully I'll see you all soon. All right, bye.